So the best way to do this is from underneath the vehicle. From under the vehicle, you have a clear view of what's going on. You have your electrical connector. You have where your adjustment's going to be. That's going to come in handy for when we're, aligning the new ones. You're going to have one of your mounting areas right here, which is basically it has a nub that comes out of the assembly and it goes through this plastic piece. And then the same thing will be located on the other side in the same area. I like to leave the electrical connector done in so that way there, as I'm pushing this out, if it happens to keep going, it won't potentially fall down and hurt me. I'm just going to try to press right here, and you can see it starts wanting to pop out. I want to do the same thing to the other side. Once it starts breaking free, we're going to get this off of here, and then we'll safely get this out. There it is. Awesome. Okay. So now I'm going to get the wiring harness off of here. Just give it a little twist. It should break free. There it is. Of course, now is a great time to check your fog light bulb. If it looks like it's in good condition, go ahead and reuse it. If it doesn't, it's easy to replace it by removing this tab and drawing the bulb right off. It's time to get our fog lamp in here. I put the bulb in already. I wanted to show you this right here. This is the adjuster, and then this little nub right here needs to go into the circular area right on the lower portion. These nubs that are on the side would of course go into their corresponding holes right along there as well. Just gonna get this lined up. Hopefully you should get those ears lined up as well. And then just press it in, give it a little bonk, like that. Now it's time to connect in the electrical connector. And put it right on there. That looks great. Go ahead and give it a little wiggle. Make sure it fits in nice and tight. Awesome. This is going to be a general tutorial on how to aim your brand new TRQ headlamp assemblies. Okay, so looking at your brand new TRQ headlamp assembly, you're going to see where your low beam is, and you'll see a little dot right in the center. And that is the access point, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to mark that with an erasable marker, just so it's easier to see. Next, what we need to do is measure from the level ground up to this point and take note of that measurement. Now we're just going to pull the car up to our wall. On our vehicle, we remember that the measurement was 28 inches for our access point. Your vehicle may be different, but that's where I'm going to put this tape, just above that 28 inches. We'll do the same on the other side. Okay, so let's just back the vehicle up, straight back 25 feet from the wall. And now that we moved our vehicle 25 feet back from the wall, we're going to start with our measurement here. That's where the headlamp center is. We're going to go down 4 inches on the driver's side. On the passenger side, we have our line here. What we need to do is go down 2 inches. To adjust the driver's side, we're going to cover our passenger side headlamp. If you look at the back side of your headlamp assembly, you're going to see something that looks like this. This is the adjustment. Some of these headlight assemblies have 1, 2, or even more of them, but you should at least have one. This is how we're going to adjust the headlight beam. Now we're going to lower the top part of the beam down to just below this line. When you turn the adjustment to the right, it brings the beam up, and if you turn it to the left, it'll bring the headlight beam down. And this is this way on most vehicles. Let's continue on to doing the passenger side. All right, we properly aligned our TRQ headlamp assemblies. Okay, and on the quality TRQ headlamps for a pickup truck, the procedure is going to be the same. You're going to find your center dot, mark it, and then you'll measure from the level ground up to your dot. So once your headlamps are properly adjusted, it'll be time to adjust your fog lamps. You'll notice on the driver's side, the focal point is all the way at the bottom right now. I would like to bring it up so it meets up with approximately the bottom of the focal point of the headlight. Some fog lamps have an adjuster, others don't. The ones that do have an adjuster, you would just turn the adjustment to the left or to the right to adjust the beam up and down to where it needs to be. Now with your TRQ headlamps and fog lamps properly aligned, you can drive down the road safely.